production po ng sarili mo.
I'm Mayor Ramon Uñate of the Municipality of Palumpon, Leyte. Our town is a second-class municipality and it is a coastal town located at the 4th district of Leyte.
Mayor, tanong ko lang po, ano po ba ang mga nagawa ng LGU Trinidad upang mapanatiling malinis at masagana ang inyong karagatan?
Unang-una, yung ginawa ng bayan natin is we have community participation. Hinimok natin yung mga NGOs, POs, at ibang sektor ng ating lipunan, yung mga estudyante. And then as early as 1992, when the coastal cleanup word was still foreign to each and every local government unit, we have already started to embark this one. We clean up our coastal barangays together with the sectors of the society. And then, nakikita rin namin na kung halimbawa malinis na talaga yung dagat, pero yung mga tao is they are throwing their garbage right here and there, kung talagang walang magagawa. So, ayun, marurumihan na naman yung ating karagatan. That's why we embark on another project wherein we go for sub-sub na pag-implementar ng batas yung garbage law, yung natin na segregation ng garbage natin, yung hindi malata, ginagawa natin ng bunker fuel, yung mga malalata, ginagawa natin ng degradable, yung organic fertilizers. And then nakikita ninyo na dito sa Palumpon, sa bayan natin, wala kayong makikitang landfill, wala kayong makikitang garbage area. Yung makikita ninyo dito sa bayan natin is Eco Park, wherein lahat ng mga garbage natin fully segregated. And then yung sinasabi ko kanina is we converted the degradable items into organic fertilizers, and then the non-degradable such as those mga plastics, kino-convert natin ng bunker. So, ayun. And then, talagang up to the barangay level, meron talaga silang mga municipal recovery facilities, MRF.
Ano po mga particular po na proyekto po yung ginawa po ninyo para po may sulong po yung malinis at saka masaganang karagatan?
Unang-una, yung ini-emphasize lang namin sa mga tao natin sa Palumpon na yung importansya na kung malinis at saka malinis yung karagatan, talagang lalago yung kita nila sa dagat. That's why unang-una in 1992, when I took office as mayor in this town, nakikita namin.
Excuse me lang po, Mayor. Pwede po magkakita. Pwede